Meet African-American Quentin James. He is a builder of fair chances in elections. He helps black candidates run and win in places all across the United States. This story explains how he started, why he cares, and what his work means for our communities. It also shows how one person can turn energy into action and action into change. As you listen, think about the tools he uses and how you might use the same tools in your own life. Quentin James grew up in Greenville, South Carolina. He watched leaders make choices that shape schools, jobs, parks, and safety. He noticed that many people did not see themselves in the people who held power. He asked a big question: how can more black voices be at the table where choices are made? He learned that voting is a tool that lets people choose leaders. He also learned that running for office is another tool that opens doors for neighbors who feel unseen. He saw that young people can lead when they have skills and support. He promised himself to gain those skills and to share them with others. As a young adult, he joined the movement to elect Barack Obama in 2007 and 2008. He learned to knock on doors and to listen with respect. He learned to plan events and to keep track of goals each day and each week. He saw that smart organizing can lift many voices and can build hope. After the election, he returned to school and finished a degree at Howard University. He chose classes that helped him study history, politics, and community change. He kept asking the same question: how do we make the map of power match the people? His answer was to organize with patience, purpose, and care. Quentin James served as the national director for the Sierra Student Coalition. That group is the youth arm of the Sierra Club. He also served on the board of the NAACP. He later worked as the Black Americans Director for the Ready for Hillary effort. In these roles, he practiced leadership and project planning. He built teams and set clear plans. He raised funds and managed budgets. He trained new leaders and guided volunteers with care. He learned that change takes patience and practice. He learned that numbers matter because data helps choose the best path and measure progress. In 2013, he and his wife Stephanie Brown James started a consulting firm called Vestige Strategies. Their goal was to help groups and candidates build strong campaigns. The team studied maps and voting rules in each place. They wrote plans that fit the local facts on the ground. They helped people find and train staff. They built digital plans and phone plans and door plans. In 2015, the team helped Dr. Keith Rowley win the office of Prime Minister in Trinidad and Tobago. That victory showed that careful planning plus respect for voters can power a big win. It also showed that new leaders can grow anywhere when they have fair support. In 2016, Quentin James and Stephanie Brown James launched the Collective PAC. A PAC is a group that raises and gives money to help candidates. Their mission was clear: America needs more black leaders in office to match the black share of the population. The collective also includes partner groups that focus on training, education, and long-term voter work. The team built tools for every step of a campaign. They built networks of small donors who give what they can. They helped candidates hire staff and buy ads. They hosted the Black Campaign School and the Black Political Power Summit to teach skills and share winning ideas. The Collective PAC and its partner groups recruit, train, and fund candidates at every level: city, school, county, state, and federal. They support first-time candidates and rising stars. They share checklists and calendars that show what to do each week. They teach how to follow election laws and how to file reports with the right office. They coach candidates on speaking with facts and with heart. They remind donors that many small gifts can add up to big help. They run a job board that connects skilled people to open campaign jobs. Since its start, the collective has helped more than 300 candidates win general elections at many levels of government. Quentin James explains that political equity happens when the share of seats looks like the share of people. In the United States, black people are about 13% of the population. So black leaders should hold about 13% of all seats. That is not true yet in many places. Barriers still exist, like uneven maps, gaps in money, and low access to training. The collective works to close those gaps with data, with coaching, and with steady follow-up. They measure results and they learn from misses. They adjust plans so the next race is stronger. They also build partnerships so that progress does not fade after one election season. This story shows how a person can use school skills and community care to solve real problems. Reading and math help plan budgets and timelines. Writing helps make a clear message that people can trust. History helps us see what is fair and what has changed over time. Science and technology help us study data and find patterns. When these skills come together, they help people run smart campaigns that welcome all voices. You can use the same ideas in your school or town. Ask a question that matters. Make a plan that fits your goal. Build a team that includes many kinds of people. Test your idea and learn from results. Try again with courage and care. That is how change grows, and that is the kind of work Quentin James does each day. If you like this video and would like to see more content like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to educate and preserve history.